knots. We have two Russian aircraft Su-24 approaching 2 nautical miles and closing. 115 true at 5 knots. We have two Russian Su-24s currently conducting multiple passes at CPAs of 75 feet. Wings are clean, continuing to track and monitor.
Oh, this is definitely marking on top here.
We have two Russian Su-24s currently conducting multiple passes at CPAs of 75 feet. Wings are clean, continuing to track and monitor. Oh my God.
Below the bridge wing.
We have two Russian Su-24s currently conducting multiple passovers, wing clean, continuing to track and monitor. 4094 true, 3 knots. One Russian Su-24 conducted 3 flybys with CPA of 1,000 yards, wings clean, continue to track and monitor.
In about 300 feet. Tight formation, left hand turn over the bow.
For Russian Helix K-827. Today's date is 12 April 2016. Time is 13:39 Zulu. Operating vicinity of 5554484 north, 0854449 east. On course 094 true at 10 knots. We have one Russian Helix Ka-27 currently less than 100 feet encircling the ship. Two personnel taking pictures, continuing to track and monitor.